How to log in Dollar General account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Dollar General account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your application. Then you will land onto this page. To land onto your login homepage, tap on Skip or tap on Next. As you do so, you will land onto your sign in homepage. Now simply enter your phone number or email address. Once done, tap on Password and enter your password. If you would like to see your password, then tap on the eye icon just beside the box. If you want to save your login details on your device, then check the box that says Keep me signed in on this device. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. And once you enter all your details, go ahead and tap on Sign In. And if you don't have a General Dollar account, you can create one yourself by tapping on to Create Account. Or you can also log in as a guest account. To do that, simply tap on Continue as Guest at the box below. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.